ब्रह्मणात् ओम ओम शांति शांति शांति. Welcome to the video class of the chapter derivative. It is my sixth video of the chapter derivative. Today I am going to discuss some special form of the derivative of the inverse trigonometric functions. But before that, I want to discuss some previous concept, previous knowledge. Let's start the previous knowledge. No need to write, only observe it. Suppose you are a square minus x square. Okay, or suppose 1 minus x square root over 1 minus x square. We think that what is in trigonometric 1 minus something square is equal to formula. Which formula? 1 minus sin square theta or 1 minus cos square theta. We have formula. Suppose 1 minus sin square theta root over, that is cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta root over, that is sin theta. Similarly, this is suppose 1 minus, suppose this is a square minus x square. So if x is equal to a sin theta, then it will be what? A square minus a square sin square theta, a square common, 1 minus sin square theta root over. Okay, only observe, no need to write this, only observe this. So this is equal to a cos theta. Similarly, if we put x is equal to a cos theta, then we get a sin theta. So without knowing the formula, you cannot remember the substitution formula. At first, you should by heart the trigonometric formula. So without trigonometric formula, we cannot remember the substitution formula. Okay, if you know all the formulae of the trigonometric functions, then it is easy. Then it will be easy to you. Okay. So some basic formula of the inverse trigonometric function. Suppose you are given sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. This is equal to sin inverse x into root over 1 minus y square plus y into root over 1 minus x square. This is your formula. So if there is minus sign, then it will be minus. Similarly, this is 1, this is cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. This is equal to cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. If there is minus formula, then it will be plus, opposite side here. And this is equal to what? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. If this is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, and this will be what? Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. And fifth one is cot inverse x plus cot inverse y, and this is equal to cot inverse xy minus 1 divided by x plus y. And final 6 is cot inverse x minus cot inverse y is equal to what? Cot inverse xy plus 1 divided by y minus x. These are the previous concepts of the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, these are the previous concept of the inverse trigonometric functions. So now today's concept is some basic special form of the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. What are the previous concepts? Let's discuss. What are the fundamental? What is special form of the? What are the special form of the derivative of inverse function? Now let's start. Special form 1. Special form 1. Okay. If y is equal to sin inverse A into sin x plus or minus b into cos x, then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. So procedure is solution. Procedure. Step 1. What is step 1? Here y is equal to sin, divide by here, mind it, divide by root over a square plus b square. Okay, divide by a square plus b square. So root over a square plus b square. So write a by root over a square plus b square into sin x, suppose plus or minus here, and b by root over a square plus b square into cos x. Since outside sin inverse x present, so this bracket term, the bracket term will be either sin a plus b or sin a minus b. Okay, here sin x present, so it will be what? Cos alpha, and here cos x present, it will be sin alpha. Okay, so step 2, let a by root over a square plus b square is equal to sin alpha, b by root over a square plus b square is equal to cos. Suppose this is sin present, so this is equal to cos alpha, and cos present, this is equal to sin alpha. Opposite, if sin present, then the term is cos, and if cos present, it will be sin. So sin by cos, that is sin alpha by cos alpha, is equal to what? B by root over a square plus b square divided by a by root over a square plus b square. So this is equal to what? B by a, and tan alpha equal to what? B by a. That implies alpha equal to tan inverse b by a. This is a constant. Okay, here this is a square plus b square. This is a constant. Clear? This is a constant. Okay, and step 3. This is equal to what? Y is equal to, this is sin inverse sin x into cos alpha plus cos x, this is minus, plus or minus, into sin alpha. Okay, so y is equal to what? Y is equal to sin inverse of sin x plus or minus alpha, sin x plus or minus alpha, which is equal to what? X plus or minus alpha. Alpha is constant, so dy by ds is equal to what? dy by ds is equal to derivative of x1 and derivative of alpha 0, which is equal to 1. It is your answer. Okay. And suppose special form 2, this is right here, this is equal to sine inverse of sine of x plus alpha plus or minus alpha. This is equal to x plus or minus alpha. So derivative of x is equal to 1 and derivative of constant alpha is equal to 0. Okay. Now if it is another form, special form 2, suppose y is equal to cos inverse a cos of x plus or minus b sin x, find dy by dx, So same procedure, step 1, same process, y is equal to, this is divide by root over a square plus b square. Okay, this is divide by root over a square plus b square. Y is equal to cos inverse a by root over a square plus b square into here cos x plus or minus b by root over a square plus b square. This is sin x. Since cos inverse present outside, so it will be, the bracket term will be either cos a plus b form or cos a minus b form. Cos x present, so this is what? This will be sin alpha, cos alpha. Let step 2, let a by root over a square plus b square is equal to cos alpha and b by root over b square, a square plus b square is equal to sin alpha. And what is sin by cos? That is tan alpha. Sin by cos, tan alpha equal to what? Sin by cos, that is b by a, and alpha equal to tan inverse b by a. This is constant, alpha is constant. So step 3 is what? Step 3 is equal to y is equal to cos inverse cos x plus or minus cos x into what? Cos alpha plus or minus sin x into sin alpha. This is sin x into sin alpha. Okay, and y is equal to cos inverse cos of x minus or plus alpha. This is equal to what? X minus or plus alpha. So dy by ds is equal to what? Derivative of x is equal to 1, derivative of constant 0. So this is equal to what? 1 is your answer. And special form of 3, another special form 3, if y is equal to tan inverse a into f of x plus b into g of x, divide by a into, suppose b into f of x minus a into g of x. This should be opposite sign, or this is equal to what? Or this is equal to y is equal to, this is plus and minus, and if it is minus, then it is plus. Okay, if plus present in numerator, then minus present in denominator. If minus present in the numerator, then plus present in the denominator. Procedure. We have tried. We will try to make the first term of the denominator, the first term of the denominator one. We will try to make the first term of the denominator 1. How it is possible? If we divide the numerator and denominator by b into fx, that is y is equal to what? Tan inverse a fx by b f of x. So this is equal to what? Plus or minus b gx by b into f of x whole divided by b fx by b fx minus or plus a gx by b fx. Opposite side. Here plus, numerator plus, denominator minus. Numerator minus, denominator plus. So what is here? This is equal to tan inverse fx goes cancel, a by b and b cancel. This is equal to what? G of x by f of x. Okay, and it will be 1 minus or plus at minus. This is minus plus, this will be plus minus. If plus present, this is minus, and if minus present, this will be plus. Gx by fx. So it will be, what is formula here? That is y is equal to suppose tan inverse x plus tan inverse y divided by 1 minus x into y. So tan inverse what? Tan inverse a by b plus or minus g of x by f of x. Okay, and this is equal to tan inverse a by b plus or minus tan inverse gx by f of x. Okay, now dy by ds is equal to what? Dy by ds is equal to, now dy by ds is equal to dy by ds is equal to dy by ds is equal to derivative of tan inverse a by b. This is equal to 0 or plus or minus d by ds of tan inverse gx by fx. So what is this? And it will be plus or minus 1 by 1 plus gx by fx whole square into d by ds of gx by f of x. Okay, and this is equal to plus or minus here f of x whole square divided by fx whole square plus gx whole square into u by v, v du. F of x into derivative of g means g dash x minus g of x into f dash x divided by f of x whole square. So f of x whole square goes cancel. This is equal to plus or minus f of x into g dash x, g of x into f dash x by what is here, this is equal to f of x whole square plus g of x whole square. This is the final answer. Let's do some problems related to special form 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the problems. If y equal to sin inverse 3 sin x plus 4 cos x by divided by 5, find dy by dx. Solution: y is equal to what? Sin inverse 3 by 5 sin x plus 4 by 5 cos x. Okay, we will try to make sin of a plus b form. So this is sin x and it will be cos, and this is cos x, it will be sin. So let's 3 by 5 is equal to cos alpha, 4 by 5 is equal to sin alpha and sin by cos makes sin by cos. This is tan alpha equal to what? 4 by 3, and alpha is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3, which is constant. This is constant. Okay, so y is equal to what? Now y is equal to sin inverse sin x into cos alpha, cos x into sin alpha. So this is equal to, that implies y is equal to sin inverse of sin of x plus alpha, which is equal to what? X plus alpha. Alpha is constant, so dy by dx is equal to derivative of x what? 1. This is your answer. Now question number 2 for special form of 2. This is y equal to cos inverse 2 cos x plus 3 sin x divided by root over 13. Here a is equal to 2, b equal to 3. So root over 2 square plus 3 square. This is 4 plus 9, root over 13. Clear? It is special form of type 2. The solution is what? Y is equal to what? Cos inverse 2 by root 13 cos x plus 3 by root 13 sin x. So since cos inverse is present in outside, cos inverse x present, so here cos x, it is, we will try to make cos of a minus b formula, because cos here side. So 2 by root 13 it should be what? Cos alpha. Let 2 by root 13 is equal to cos alpha. 3 by root 13 is equal to what? 3 by root 13 is equal to sin alpha, because here cos x into cos alpha, sin x into sin alpha. It is which formula? Cos of a minus b formula. So यदि बाहर cos इनवर्स देइछि, आमे जो ब्रैकेट टर्म को यदि प्लस अच्छी cos रे तो cos a minus b फॉर्मूला आनिया पड़ियो, यदि माइनस अच्छी cos a plus b फॉर्मूला हबो. तो कोन करबा? तो y is equal to what? Y is equal to cos inverse. This is cos x into cos alpha, and what is here? This is equal to tan alpha equal to what? Tan alpha equal to 3 by 2, and alpha equal to tan inverse 3 by 2. This is constant. Okay, so cos inverse of cos x into cos alpha plus sin x into sin alpha. This is formula for what? Y is equal to cos inverse of cos of x minus alpha. So this is equal to what? X minus alpha. Alpha constant. Alpha this is constant. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of x1 derivative of alpha 0. So 1 is your answer. Now for special form of 3, one question. If y equal to tan inverse 4 sin x plus 3 cos x divided by 3 sin x minus 4 cos x, find dy by dx. Solution y is equal to tan inverse 4 cos x plus here 4 sin x 4 sin x plus 3 cos x divided by 3 sin x plus minus 4 cos x. Dear students, please pay attention here. If numerator is plus, then denominator is minus. Opposite sign here. Here opposite sign should be present. So our motto to make this term 1, make h1. How? Make this term 1, divide by 3 sin x in numerator and denominator. So what is here? Y is equal to tan inverse 4 sin x by 3 sin x plus 3 cos x by 3 sin x. Similarly 3 sin x by 3 sin x minus 4 cos x by 3 sin x. So what will be here? So sin cancel, 3 cancel, sin cancel, and 4 here cannot be cancelled. So this is equal to what? Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus what? Cos by sin. Cos by sin means cot x. Okay, and this is what? 3 by 3. So this total cancel 1 minus 4 by 3 cot x. Now this is formula for tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So in place of x 4 by 3 present, in place of y cot x present. So this is formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This is equal to what? Y is equal to tan inverse x means here 4 by 3 plus tan inverse y means here cot x. So this is equal to what? Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse cot x means what? Cot x means tan pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so this is equal to y is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3 plus pi by 2 minus x. Clear? And what is the derivative of this? The derivative of this is equal to what? The derivative of this is equal to dy by dx is equal to what? Now dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse 4 by 3 0, derivative of pi by 2 0, and derivative of x is equal to what? 1. So minus 1 is your answer. So minus 1 is your answer. Now some other questions. Find dy by dx. If I equal to tan inverse root x plus tan inverse root a divided by 1 minus root x root a. So this is equal to solution y is equal to tan inverse root x plus root a divided by 1 minus root x into root a. This is tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So the formula for this is formula for which tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This is x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So this is equal to what? Tan inverse x means root x plus tan inverse y means root a. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to, this is d by ds of tan inverse root x, and this will be zero derivative because it is constant. So 1 by 1 plus root x whole square into d by ds of root x. So this is 1 plus x derivative of 1 root x means 1 by 2 root x. So answer is 1 by 2 root x into 1 plus x. This is final answer. Okay. Now another question. This is y equal to tan inverse 7x divided by a square minus 12x square. Find dy by dx. Solution. This is equal to what? Y is equal to tan inverse 7ax by a square minus 12x square. So make it 1. Make it 1. So this is equal to what? Y is equal to tan inverse 7ax by a square divided by a square minus 12x square by a square. Clear? This is equal to what? Tan inverse 7x by a whole divided by 1 minus what? 12x square by, this is x square by a square, and here minus sign present, so split 7x by a into two parts. So this is equal to what? Y is equal to tan inverse, this is 3x by a plus 4x by a divided by 1 minus what? 3x by a into 4x by a. Okay, 12x square by a square present, correct? So this is formula for tan inverse, here tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Which formula? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This is equal to tan inverse x means 3x by a plus tan inverse y means 4x by a. Now dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to what? This is equal to d by ds of tan inverse 3x by a plus d by ds of tan inverse 4x by a. So what is the answer? This will be 1 by 1 plus 3x by a whole square, 9x square by a square into d by ds of 3x by a. Similarly 1 by 1 plus 16x square by a square into d by ds of what? D by ds of 4x by a. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, this is equal to, and this is equal to a square by what? A square plus 9x square, 3x by a derivative of 3x by a, that is 3 by a. This is 9x square, right? 9x square, and this is 3 by a. Similarly plus here a square by a square plus 16x square into 4x by a derivative of 4x by a. This is equal to 4 by a. So here a square, here a cancel, a square, a cancel. So what is here? 3a by, this is 3a by a square plus 9x square, 9x square plus 4a divided by a square plus 16x square. This is your answer. This is question number 5. And another question. Okay. If y equal to tan inverse 4x divided by 1 plus 5x square and plus tan inverse 2 plus 3x by 3 minus 2x. Here plus sign present, so this should be minus. Numerator should be minus. So y equal to what? Solution. This is y is equal to, this can be written as what? Tan inverse 5x minus x minus. So this is equal to 1 plus 5x into x. And here tan inverse, you have to make this term as 1. Okay. This term should be 1. So divide by 3 here. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 3 means 1, add x, divide by 1 minus 2 by 3 into x. This is tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. Which formula? Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. So tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Here this is equal to tan inverse x means what? 5x minus tan inverse y means what? X. Again this is tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse 2 by 3 plus tan inverse x. So minus tan inverse x plus tan inverse x goes cancel. So dy by dx is equal to what? D by dx of tan inverse 5x plus derivative of tan inverse 2 constant. This is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus 5x whole square into d by ds of 5x. This is equal to 5x 1 by 1 plus 25x square, derivative of 5x 5. So answer is 5 by 1 plus 25x square is your answer. This is question number 6. And another question. If y equal tan inverse 2 plus 3x cube root over plus 2 minus 3x cube root over divide by 2 plus 3x cube root over minus 2 minus 3x cube root over. ये कौन करियो इम्पोर्टेंट सेटा आम जानी से फॉर्मूला either 1 plus sin theta or 1 plus cos theta. So ये 2 कॉमन भालने चेष्टा करियो पड़ो. So कौन लखो ये? Suppose put 3x cube is equal to 2 suppose sin theta. तो 2 sin theta पकइले 2 sin theta तो 2 टा कॉमन भाई पुट्स एट पके तो इजी हो जिवो. So y is equal to tan inverse root over 2 plus 2 sin theta plus 2 minus 2 sin theta divided by 2 plus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta. এটা যদি ট্রিগোনোমেট্রিক ফর্মুলা আমাকে আসিবো তবে এটা জানি পারিবা. 1 plus sin theta ফর্মুলা কোন জানছো কে মতে? 1 plus sin theta formula cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square. जब रूट ओवर हे जिवो 1 plus sin theta रूट ओवर हेले कोन हो ना cos theta by 2 minus a plus sin theta by 2 जदी रूट ओवर हे जिवो. ओके जदी रूट ओवर 1 minus sin theta formula कोन हो पहले मते ना cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. This is minus. So it कौन कभी ना this is equal to 2 टा कॉमन कर दे सब जगह रे tan inverse 2 कॉमन कर देले बाहर 2 कॉमन कर ले 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 2 कॉमन कर दवा 1 माइनस साइन थीटा 2 कॉमन करिबा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा हियर 1 प्लस साइन थीटा माइनस 2 कॉमन करिबा 1 माइनस साइन थीटा क्लियर हमको ये सब 2 कैंसिल हो जिवो 2 बाहर नै जो सब 2 कैंसिल हो जिवो तो आसीबो कोन आंसर आंसर आसीबो सब 2 बाहर नै जो y is equal to सब 2 कैंसिल हो जिवो tan inverse what root over 1 plus sin theta plus root over 1 minus sin theta by root over 1 plus sin theta minus root over 1 minus sin theta यार फॉर्मूला कौन अछि साइड लिखिस फॉर्मूला root over 1 plus sin theta root over 1 plus sin theta okay this will be y is equal to tan inverse root over 1 plus sin theta means cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 this is cos theta by 2 and this is minus sin theta by 2 whole divided by this is cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 and this is cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 so y is equal to what y is equal to tan inverse this theta by 2 here so this cancel and this is cos theta cancel and what is here this is 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 2 sin theta by 2 so 2 to cancel this is equal to tan inverse cot theta by 2 and cot this is y is equal to what y is equal to this can be written as tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2 okay tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2 so answer pi by 2 minus theta by 2 but we prove substitution is what substitution is 3sq is equal to 2 sin theta so sin theta is equal to what 3sq by 2 so theta is equal to what theta is equal to sin inverse 3sq by 2 so y is equal to what y is equal to pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 theta means what sin inverse 3sq by 2 3sq by 2 now derivative dy by dx now dy by ds this dy by dx is equal to derivative of pi by 2 0 minus 1 by 2 into d by ds of what sin inverse 3sq by 2 and this is equal to now this is equal to minus 1 by 2 1 by root over 1 minus 3sq by 2 whole square into d by ds of chain rule here 3 by 2 into x cube so this is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root over 9x to the power what 6 divided by 4 and 3 by 2 x cube derivative 3x square so this is equal to minus 1 by 2 here 1 by root over 4 minus 9x to the power 6 divided by 4 root over 4 means 2 and this is equal to 9 by 2 x square. So 2 goes cancel, that is minus 9 x square by root over 4 minus 9 to the power x. Okay, minus 9 x square divided by 4 minus 9 into x to the power 6 is your, this is 2 present here, also 2 present here, 9 by 2 x square root over, okay, 4 minus 9 into x square 6 here, this is 2 here, 2 1 by 2, this 4 by 2 and 3 by 2, this is 9 by 2 x square, correct. This is final answer. And another question, this is question number 7 and question number 8. This is another question, question number 8. If y equal to tan inverse 3 a square x minus x cube divided by y cube minus, so we have to try to take common a cube. Suppose this is a tan theta, means a cube 3 a cube tan theta minus a cube tan theta divided by, this is a cube and this is 3 a cube tan theta. Formula 3 tan theta formula. We know 3 tan theta. What is formula for 3 tan theta? Tan 3 theta is equal to what? 3 tan square theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 3 tan theta here. Okay. तो एटा 3 tan theta है जो ना x जरा a tan theta पकड़ले कौन पुट कले पुट x is equal to a tan theta ऑटोमेटिक सेट है जो ये यदि फार्मूला आछे फार्मूला जणा अछि से क्वेश्चन तो सब फार्मूला सेट बेस क्वेश्चन देथिबो डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन केबे भी दबनी ओके एमिति क्वेश्चन देथिबो से गोटे भी जे कोन से गोटे फार्मूला को से सेट है थिबो एटी tan 3 थीटा को सेट है फार्मूला अछि हमें ऑब्जर्व करियो पुरो को फार्मूला a q रो फार्मूला tan q थीटा minus tan q थीटा समथिंग minus tan माने इट इज कोन अछि 3 tan थीटा अब हे करियो नै ये आईडिया करियो पुरो तो केता होडी y is equal to here that is tan theta equal to what? Tan theta is equal to x by a and theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. So y is equal to tan inverse what? 3 into a square into a tan theta. A q tan theta minus a q tan q theta divided by what? Divided by a q minus 3 a into x. X बदले कौन tan theta पुट्स 3. Here question is a square है ना 3 tan square theta. हाँ 3 1 minus 3 tan square theta. X का रेट लगे था बड़ी 3 a into here a square x. हाँ question is 3 a square. Here a square x 1 minus 3 tan square theta है दरकार. तो a q कॉमन है दरकार. तो ये कौन दी थी a स्क्वायर दी थी क्वेश्चन सो क्या था वो a q tan या 3 क्वेश्चन इज 3 a x ओके the question is write the question as 3 a x square okay so a q minus 3 a and this is a square tan square theta so 3 a q tan square theta so y is equal to tan inverse 3 a q common here and this is what a q common this is equal to what this is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan q theta divided by here a q common and this is 1 minus 3 tan square theta तो को फॉर्मूला आसला एटा tan 3 थीटा फॉर्मूला आसिला ओके तो y is equal to what y is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta which is equal to 3 into theta and theta is equal to what theta is equal to this okay theta is equal to tan inverse x by 3 into tan inverse x by a and dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to 3 constant into d by ds of what? D by ds of tan inverse x by a, which is equal to 3 into 1 plus x by a whole square into d by ds of x by a. This is chain rule. This is equal to what? 3 divided by 1 plus x square by a square, and this is x by a, this is 1 by a. So final answer is what? Final answer is, this is 3a square by a square plus x square into 1 by a. So a cancel, this is 3a by a square plus x square is your final answer. Okay. Now another question, question number 9. If y equal to tan inverse 1 by 1 minus x plus x square, find dy by dx. এটা হঠাৎ যে দেখো চেন রুল আপ্লাই করিও চেষ্টা করিও, চেন রুল আপ্লাই কলে ডিফিকল্ট হয়ে যাব, লেন্দি হয়ে যাব। তো আমি সেট করে পড়ু, এটা মাইনাস সিম্বল আছে, এটা প্লাস সিম্বল রে পড়ু। আমি যে tan inverse যে ব্যবহার করলে tan inverse র কনসেপ্ট রে। সো দিস ইজ সলিউশন। This is y is equal to tan inverse, we can write x plus 1 minus x. 1 is equal to x plus 1 minus x, and this is equal to 1 minus, this is x common, but this is equal to, and x common here, this is plus x square minus present, and this is equal to what? Now try to get the formula. Okay, this can be written as x plus 1 minus x divided by plus x square minus x. This is single term, this is y, suppose y is equal to tan inverse. Suppose this is x plus 1 minus x, here minus present, so it will be 1 x common here. Then what is its answer? This is x into x minus 1. Clear? And now make another type of arrangement, setting. This is equal to what? Y is equal to tan inverse, here minus sign present, find it. So what is this? And this is what? X minus of minus 1, and this can be written as 1 plus x square minus x. Okay, so this will be what? Y is equal to tan inverse x minus of x minus 1, and this is equal to what? 1, take x common, x minus 1. Here what is formula? Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. So this is formula for tan inverse x means x minus tan inverse y means x minus 1. So dy by ds is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to d by ds of tan inverse x minus d by ds of tan inverse x minus 1. So this is 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 whole square into d by ds of x minus 1. Okay, and this is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 whole square into derivative of x 1. This is the final answer. Okay, this is minus sign, not dot, this is minus sign. Okay, then another question, this is question number 9, and question number 10 is, this is question number 10. If y equal tan inverse 2 to the power x plus 1 into 3 to the power x divided by 1 minus 6 to the x. It is in, we observe that, আমি দেখিও পড়িও ঠিক কোন এটা 2 tan theta form divided by 1 minus tan square theta form হউতবা না দেখিও পড়িও। তো লিখি পড়িও, এটা কোন লিখি পড়িও, আমরা চেষ্টা করিও এটা tan inverse 2 into 2 to the x into 3 to the x divided by 1 minus what? 1 minus this is equal to, this is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan whole square. This is suppose square here. Okay, this question is square here. So this is your what? 2 to the power x into 3 to the x whole square. Clear? What is substitution? This is tan theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Which formula? This is tan 2 theta formula. So put 2 to the x into 3 to the x is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse 2 to the x into 3 to the x. Here. So y is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Here. This is equal to y is tan inverse of tan 2 theta. So this is equal to what? 2 into theta. 2 into theta. Now y is equal to 2 into theta means tan inverse 2 to the x into 3 to the x. Now that implies dy by ds is equal to d by ds of 2 constant. So take common out, 2 into d by ds of what? D by ds of tan inverse, that is tan inverse 2 to the x into 3 to the x. By formula this is equal to 1 by 2 into, here 2, so 2 by what? 1 plus x square, 2 to the x into 3 to the x whole square into d by ds of, this is 6 to the power x, 6 to the power x. So 2 by 1 plus 6 to the power x whole square, 1 to the 6 to the x whole square into derivative of 6 to the x, 6 to the x into log 6. This is final answer. Okay. 2 into this square, 2 into 3, 6 and 6 log x. This is question number 10. Now another question, question number 11. This is another question. So solution is what? Solution is y is equal to cos inverse this cos n whole square minus 1 divided by, sorry, x to n whole square minus 1 divided by x to n whole square plus 1. Here put suppose this is tan square, x to the n is equal to tan theta. So this is equal to what? Y is equal to cos inverse tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan square theta plus 1. We know 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What it is? Opposite, reverse. So y is equal to con inverse minus, come on, 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to cos inverse minus of cos 2 theta, and cos of minus of cos of, we know cos inverse of minus x is equal to what? Pi minus cos inverse x. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, we can write y is equal to cos inverse of cos pi minus 2 theta. So this is equal to pi minus 2 theta. Theta means what? Theta is equal to, here tan theta is equal to this, implies theta is equal to tan inverse x to the power n. So this is equal to pi minus tan inverse x to the power n. Okay. Tan, this is y is equal to pi minus tan inverse x to the power n. So dy by ds is equal to derivative of pi constant 0 minus d by ds of what? Tan inverse x to the power n. This is equal to what? Minus 1 by 1 plus x to the n whole square into d by ds of x to n. So minus n into x to the power n minus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 2n. This is the final answer. This is question number 11. Now question number 12. This is another question. Y equal to sin inverse 5x plus 12 root over 1 minus x square by 13. Find dy by dx. Sin inverse x अच्छी माने plus अच्छी माने sin of a plus b form को आने में पड़ेगा. So here y is equal to sin inverse 5x plus 12 by 12 root over 1 minus x square by 13. Okay, 5 square plus 12 square root over means 13. So this can be what? Put there x is equal to what? X is equal to, put x is equal to what? X is equal to sin theta. Okay, x is equal to sin theta. So this will be y is equal to sin inverse 5 by 13 sin theta and 12 by 13 1 minus sin square theta root over means cos theta. Here theta is variable, not constant. So again put let 5 by 13 is equal to cos alpha, 12 by 13 is equal to sin alpha to get sin of a plus b. So tan alpha is equal to what? Tan alpha is equal to 12 by 5. This is constant, that is alpha is equal to tan inverse 12 by 5. This is constant, but theta is not constant. This is constant. Okay, but theta is not constant here. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to sin inverse sin theta cos alpha, cos theta sin alpha. This is equal to what? Sin inverse. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to sin inverse plus alpha. Sin inverse theta plus alpha. So what is here? That is sin inverse of sin theta plus alpha here. Sin theta plus alpha. So answer is theta final. This is theta plus alpha. Alpha constant. This is constant. Alpha is constant. Okay. Because theta is what? Theta is equal to here. Theta is equal to sin inverse x. Theta is equal to sin inverse x. So this is equal to y is equal to sin inverse x, okay, plus alpha means this is alpha, derivative of alpha, this is alpha, and dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to sin inverse x, derivative of sin inverse x means 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Since alpha is constant, so its derivative is 0. So 1 by root over 1 minus x square is the final answer. Okay, and now another question. Another question, y equal to tan inverse x by 1 plus root over. Put here present 1 minus x square form. Put x is equal to sin theta. So what is theta is equal to sin inverse x. So y is equal to what? Tan inverse sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is y is equal to tan inverse. This is tan theta by 2 formula. Okay. How it is tan theta by 2? Let 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Half angle formula. Okay. Divide by 1 plus cos theta formula. 2 cos square theta by 2. The formula already discussed. So apply this formula. To cancel, cos cancel. This is equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2, which is equal to theta by 2 means 1 by 2 into theta. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to 1 by 2 theta means what? Sin inverse x. That implies dy by dx is equal to dy by ds is equal to 1 by 2 into derivative of sin inverse x, 1 by root over 1 minus x square. This is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.